Hi, my name is Melissa Barad, the owner of I Do Weddings in San Diego. I'm here to show you how to create your very own bachelor party invitations. One of the most fun parts of the planning process is the bachelor party, or so I hear. And one of the most popular destinations for bachelor party is Las Vegas. And I recommend for the invitation doing something fun, themed, and simple, like this martini glass here, that you can include with a small invitation. This would of course be bubble wrapped and placed in a package to make sure it doesn't get broken, along with a small enclosure of the who, what, when, where, and why, and of course hotel room rates of the day. I'd show it to you, but what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. And I think this is a really fun way to go. It's functional, it's simple, it's something a guy can actually keep after the wedding versus recycling or throwing the invitation in the trash. And now you have your very own do-it-yourself bachelor party invitations. I'm Melissa Barad with I Do Weddings, and thank you so much.